Hello and welcome back again. In today's video, I'm going to teach you common Igbo phrases we use at home. The common Igbo phrases we use at home. Okwu dị iche iche anyị na-ekwu, anyị ji akparịta ụka n'ezinụlọ. Learn Igbo language with Adigbo. No, you are welcome. Iburu nwata Igbo soba asụsụ Igbo, Igbo amaka. Asụsụ anyị bụ njirimara anyị. Asụsụ anyị bụ omenala anyị. N'ụbọchị taa, aga m akụziri gị ahịrịokwu dị iche iche anyị ji akparịta ụka n'ezinụlọ. Okwu anyị ji akparịta ụka n'ezinụlọ. Common Igbo phrases we use at home. The first I'm going to teach you today is ịrahụ ụra, to sleep. Ịrahụ ụra, to sleep. Ịrahụ ụra. Okay? That's a common thing. I want to sleep. I want to go to bed. To sleep. Bo ịrahụ ụra. I hope you get that. Then the next one is isi nri, to cook. Isi nri. Achọrọ m isi nri. Achọrọ m isi nri ehihie. Achọrọ m isi nri ụtụtụ. Achọrọ m isi nri anyasị. Isi nri is a common phrase we use at home. Ibe akwa, to cry. Ibe akwa, to cry. Maybe a baby is crying at home. You say, why is she or he crying? Kedu ihe ọ na-ebere akwa? Okay? Ibe akwa, to cry. Ibe akwa, to cry. All right. That's it for that. Then, to dance. Ịgba egwu. Kedu ihe na-agbara egwu? Mmadụ nwere ike jechaa ihe nata na-agba egwu, ị na-ajụ ya kedu ihe ị na-agbara egwu. To dance, ịgba egwu, to dance. Okay? Learn Igbo language. Just keep learning, keep following me in this channel. In case if today is your first time of seeing this video, please kindly subscribe and follow so that you can learn Igbo language. Most of us speak English language, but we can't speak our language, which is not correct. Our language is our culture. Our language is our heritage. Please do yourself good by learning. Keep following, subscribe, keep sharing this video. Okay? The common Igbo phrases we use at home. All right, the next is to read. Ịgụ akwụkwọ, to read. Ịgụ akwụkwọ, to read. Ịgụ akwụkwọ, that is, if you're a mother at home and your child come back from school after eating and resting, you kindly say, "Je buru akwụkwọ gị gụọ." Je gụọ akwụkwọ gị. That's go and study your book. Go and read your book. All right? Okay, the next is to run errands. Ije ozi, to run errands. Ije ozi. Jee wetara m mmiri ka ṅụọ. Nye m mma. Jee wetara m afere. That is, get me that plate. So, to run errands around the house is ije ozi. Okay? Sweeping the house, ije ozi. That's all that. That's ije ozi, is to run errands for somebody. Send you to go get something and you went and get it. Okay? I hope you understand that. All right. To walk. Ịrụ ọrụ. To walk. Ịrụ ọrụ. Okay? When you are going in the morning, say, let me go to work. Ịrụ ọrụ. Or you are sending somebody and say, please, I hope you would do your work before I come home. You know, do your work. Ịrụ ọrụ. All right? I hope you're following. It's interesting and it is very easy if you devote your time to learn Igbo language. It's actually encouraging that all of us learn this language. Okay, the next is to play. Igwuri egwu or igwu egwu. To play. Igwu egwu. Okay, you can tell your child, go and play. Go and play. Jee gwu egwu. Okay, then the next is to run. Ịgba ọsọ. To run. Ịgba ọsọ. to run, ịgba ọsọ. I hope you're understanding it. Just take it easy. You can go over the video again so that you can be able to learn. These are the common phrases we use at home in Igbo language. All right, the next is travel, to travel. Ije njem, to travel. Ije njem, to travel. Ije njem. All right, to sweep. Ịza ụlọ, to sweep. Ịza ụlọ, to sweep. Ịza ụlọ. Ị nwere ike isi onye gị na-anọ, biko nyere m aka zaara m ụlọ a ka ọ dị ọcha. Ịza ụlọ. Okay? Please keep learning. Share this video as much as that wants to learn so that I can be able to learn Igbo language with ease. To eat. Iri nri. To eat. Iri nri. Okay? To eat. Iri nri. To play. Igwu egwu. To play. Igwu egwu. Okay? Then to pray. That's the commonest thing you do in the morning when you wake up. To pray. Ikpe ekpere. Ikpe ekpere. To pray. Ikpe ekpere. Do you understand that? All right. To wake up. Iteta n'ụra. To wake up. Iteta n'ụra. We have said to sleep. Ịrahụ ụra. Then to wake up. Iteta n'ụra. Okay? Iteta n'ụra. To wake up. Iteta n'ụra. I hope you understand what I'm saying today. Alright, learn Igbo language with Igbo. Nke taa bụ common Igbo phrases. Ahịrịokwu anyị ji akparịta ụka n'ezinụlọ. Common Igbo phrases we use at home. Okay? You can say to sit, nọrọ ana. Sit, nọrọ ana. That is to sit. To stand, kwụrụ ọtọ. To stand, kwụrụ ọtọ. Sit, nọrọ ani. Stand, kwụrụ ọtọ. Please use the comment section if you have any question. Let's learn Igbo language with ease. Okay? I hope you understand today's video. And please kindly subscribe to this channel, share, like, and comment. Let's learn Igbo language with ease. Thank you. Remain blessed. Bye.